Let's get it, boys. Today's gonna be a workday vlog. It is 6:35 a.m. We gotta get to work by 7, so we got 25 minutes. Shoot, I'm gonna make the bed real quick. Always gotta make the bed. Let's get it. The balance is off this morning. We're gonna run through what I do on our workday morning and how I set up the dispo and all that. Today is Monday, April 4th. First thing, morning piss. Lonely, lonely, baby, lonely. Stay hydrated. Meal replacement. It's a rainy day today. Cheers. Whoa. So basically on a workday morning, no time for breakfast because like I said, I have to be at work in 20 minutes. It's almost damn near a 10-minute drive. Basically just do the protein shake, brush my teeth and head out. Put on my tools to brush my teeth. You guys be flossing? I be flossing. Beard oil, come on now. Little things, they go a long way, my boy. By the way, someone from chat said Nair is a good shampoo. Do not use this as shampoo. Do not use Nair as shampoo. It's not good shampoo. Whoever told me that is lying. It's right next to my shampoo though. Imagine I'm in the shower. I forget to grab the Pantene. I grab the Nair. I put it all over seriously a nightmare. I want to see if I can get some GoPro shots today. Yo, it is storming. We're about to be driving in that. Let's go. Put on a rain jacket. I think we got everything. We need some lunch. Steak today. All right. Boys, it is chilly and wet. Wet flex. So cold. No drops on the camera lens. What luck. We're heading to work. This Spotify playlist has been smacking. See what it has for us today. We don't have to use our hands anymore. Jimmy Neutron brain blast to work real quick. Ah, dude behind me wants to fly. Go ahead, doggy. Oh, hydro plate. Bro, when it's raining like this, you don't just cut right in front of me so all your freaking rain dust just gets all on my face, doggy. It's okay. Damn tree's about to come down. NLE was cold when he made this song. That's mathematics. This really is Oregon for you though. We got 1 minute to get to work. It's like right up here. For real, when people say welcome to Oregon, they really mean welcome to the rain. It's low-key a vibe though. Here we are. Oh no, the lens is getting wet. Oh, my food. Bro scared me. Yeah. Literally sweating, so I gotta take this hoodie off. This is what I do on the daily. We've been open for about an hour now. Pouring rain, so no one wants to get out of their house. That's why we haven't had any customers yet. It's all good. Now I get time to edit videos, check the TikToks, check the social medias, learn how to grow on social media, stuff like that. Other than that, I'm just gonna chill here. And for the rest of the day, I don't know, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do after this and I'll get back to you guys. What's good? I decided not to vlog yesterday. Today, we're getting shit done. I'm trying to buy a 360 cam so I can get some dope shots. We're also going snowboarding tomorrow, so I'm gonna make a whole new vlog tomorrow. We're about to leave work now. Walking out of work right now. Smell the Mary Jane in the air. Absolutely love it. We're about to go back to my house to grab a tripod because I forgot my tripod. Let's get it. I hate this angle.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
Look at how pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Home sweet home at last. Let's get inside. Love that tree back there. Slipper time. Finding my tripod. There it is. This is what I've been missing. Goals for today. I want to get a 360 camera. I need to go buy a mirror for live streaming, but I also want to take a nap so bad. I have to use the restroom. Right now, we're driving to Fred Meyer to go buy a camera for streaming. We got to get gas too. After that, Best Buy. Got to plug my phone in because it's about to die. Shoot. Stay hydrated. I'm also exhausted right now, guys. So low energy, but running on 4 hours of sleep. And I just worked a 9-hour shift, but we're good. I'm petty too. Bitch, you petty. Bitch, I'm petty too. Oh, I forgot. It's probably absolutely slapping the microphone around. We are here. Let's go inside. Let's get it. Fit check. Not too bad. We in here. Excuse me, where are you guys' mirrors at?
Past 56.
Oh, on like the back wall? Thank you. Always ask people for help. It's a lot easier to find shit. 56, she said. Past 56, she said. Not what we're looking for, but I feel like we're close. I'm not spending $60 on a damn mirror. Oh, I just want to sleep here. This is so fire. Hey Gary, this might be our best option, even though it's not what I want. I'm gonna pull up to Walmart. Walmart, 14 minutes away. Fred Meyer's low-key buns. Peace out, Fred Meyer. We gotta go get some gasoline. Yes, I really did. Think all hoes were the same. Hello. Fill up with regular on card, please. Top 25 in New York. Apparently, I got the last gas in the gas station. I don't understand how that worked. It was $55 to fill up my tank, which is not horrible. The most I've ever paid. So everyone in the gas station can't get gas now because all of the pumps just shut off. I don't understand what just happened. Honestly, crazy. I'll catch y'all at Walmart. We're now at Walmart. This might work. Golden. So I'll get one of these. $8, a lot better. Thank you, Walmart. That was really good. Mission accomplished. Now we need to get directions to Best Buy. So we got our mirror. We need to go get 360 cam. 8-minute drive. And we need some charge. I'll see you guys at Best Buy. I have to pee. Where's the line start? Instant 360 X2 camera. The creator's edition.
I have this one here. It's not in stock, however, I can't order it.
Yeah, I've just been vlogging. That's what we're doing right now. It was cosmetic, like makeup and stuff. Yeah.
Just makeup.
No, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Vlogging in public is so awkward.
The receipt's a little long because you do.
Oh, that stuff smells rank.
Yeah, you're all set, man.
All right, thank you, sir. What was your name?
Cody.
Cody, thank you, Cody. Done and done. Spent a bag. We're trying to get over the fear of vlogging in public, kind of working. Instant 360 camera ordered. Now we're gonna go home. I was vlogging in Best Buy, buying a camera, right? Latina walks up to me and she's like, oh, are you a vlogger? And I was just like, I mean, I guess so. I just started a YouTube like a couple days ago. And she was like, oh, no way, what's your YouTube? And I was like, yada, yada, yada. And I showed her, bro, and she was like, oh my God. And I was just like, damn, bro, my ego's getting to me, but that was nice. Oh, I am so hungry right now. Mission accomplished. The only thing that we didn't buy, phone tripod. I don't even know where to buy those. Home sweet home. Why does this happen? I didn't have to pee the whole way home. I pull up to my house and now I have to piss like a racehorse. Like, I don't understand the logic there, but it always happens. Like, anytime I'm on a road trip and I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna hold it till I get to my house. 5 minutes before I pull up, that's when I have to piss the most. I don't understand it. I had to get that thought out. I don't understand. So we're doing the outro out here because my washer is going right now and it's super annoying. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Really appreciate it. I have way too much footage to edit through, so I'm probably gonna be editing footage for the next 3 days. But yeah, I just need to find a healthy cycle of vlogging and then editing because I have probably over 13 hours of footage to edit through right now. And I might cut it up into 2 vlogs. I might cut it up into 3. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, spam them in the comments. Drop some likes if you want to support. And please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to put a lot more work into this YouTube channel than really anything else. God bless, guys. Everyone have a blessed night. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Peace out.